Listen and practice. Let's get started with yes and no questions.
How do we use do with subjects to form an interrogative sentence?
Very good question. First one, structure. We use do without yes plus one of these for subjects. I, we, you, they. But we add es to plus. He, she, it. So, do or does plus subject plus base verb.
Thank you for this clarification. Can you give me some examples?
Of course. For example, do I like pizza? Do we like pizza? Do you like pizza? Do they like pizza? Now, we add es to do for the rest over. Like this. Does he like pizza? Does she like pizza? Does it like pizza? This is how to use do to form yes or no questions in simple present.
But what about the simple past?
For the simple past, it's easier and simpler. All the subjects take the same word in the past. Like this. Did I like pizza? Did we like pizza? Did you like pizza? Did they like pizza? Did he like pizza? Did she like pizza? Did it like pizza? You see, we don't need to add anything or minus.
Very clear now, but how to use do with WH questions?
That's a good question, Sarah. Let's dive into it to clarify. Firstly, read the WH questions before we go to the structure.
What? Where? When? Why? Whom? Who? Which? And how?
Good. This is the structure. WH question word plus do or does plus subject plus base verb. Like this. What do you do? Where do you live? Why do you learn English? When do you go? Who do you live with? Whom do you call? How do you improve your English? Which book do you read? In the simple past, as I explained earlier. Like this also. What did you do? Where did you live? Why did you learn English? When did you go? Who did you live with? Whom did you call? How did you improve your English? Which book did you read?
Okay, now I understand it better. Can you explain me how to use do in the negative statements?
Using do in negative statements, it is not complicated at all. This how to form the sentence. Structure, subject plus do or does plus not plus base verb.
It's easy to say Nick. But for me, it is very difficult to do. Can I get some more examples?
Of course, why not? Here are some simple examples. don't know how to fix engines. We don't use the same phone. You don't see my wallet. They don't forget our team. He does not read books. She does not like cooking. It does not fly tonight.
Very clear now. Thanks.
Take these key points to remember. Use do with I, you, we, they. Example, do they know the answer? Use does with he, she, it. Example, does he play the guitar? In negative sentences, do not can be contracted to don't and does not to doesn't. Example, they don't have a car. He doesn't like coffee. Here is a simple conversation between Alex and Jamie for practicing do.
Hey Jamie, do you have any plans for the weekend? Not really. I don't have anything special planned. How about you? I do. I'm thinking of going hiking. Do you want to join me? That sounds fun, but I don't have any hiking gear. No worries. I have extra gear. Do you like hiking? I do, but I don't go often. Where do you usually hike? There's a great trail near the lake. Do you know it? Yes, I do. I've heard it's beautiful. What time do you want to go? How about 8 a.m.? Does that work for you? Yes, it does. I'll be ready. Do we need to bring anything else? Just some water and snacks. I don't think we need much else. Perfect. I don't have any snacks at home. No problem. I'll bring some extra for you. Do you like granola bars? Yes, I do. Thanks, Alex.
I hope this lesson can help you understand how to use do with WH questions.